Well, from the Christian Women's Connection, we have Joe Herendeen here today. Always good to see you.
Good to see
Welcome
you.
back.
God bless you.
Yes,
Love being here.
and you know, you always got fun things that are going on.
Oh my goodness, that's why I get to talk about it.
Yes, yes, you do.
Because I'm excited.
So you got two things that are coming up. Well, one of them is your prayer coffee that you're having, and that is coming up
10th.
on the 10th, which is this Thursday. Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's just a preview to what this is about.
And so, but the prayer coffee is something that anyone can go to?
Yes, we invite everyone to come that would like to share with us.
And every month you do this?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
All right, nice
It's
little
always
gathering
exciting.
and all. Yeah, and but like you said, the major thing you're doing this month,
feature,
of course, is your buffet luncheon, which you do every month, and this one is called Second Time Around.
So
right?
we always have a feature.
Yes,
and
you
so
do.
This feature this month that everyone loves to get in on the feature is something that women like, and this is a AGE. We have Second Time Around.
Yeah.
And these are lovely items that are gently used, almost new, and extra nice.
Yes.
So they want to come early and take a look at things before the luncheon, and then have a wonderful luncheon.
Now, is it going to be clothing or just whatever?
And whatever, be jewelry too. So it'll be lovely things that you can get for your friends or yourself.
And people will donate these, or it's just
yes,
an exchange thing?
all donating.
Okay.
And it's going to be for, the funds will go to Stonecroft that we're under. And they're the ones that are covering. And this is a wonderful, wonderful covering that we have. That's in 40 countries, you know.
Yeah.
We're international. And there's no dues. Just come and have lunch and enjoy getting acquainted with new people.
And again, if it is $14 for the luncheon and all, but anyone can come here, but please call ahead of time because you
it
have
would
to
be
set
nice. The
things up.
caterer would appreciate it.
Yes.
But we take walk-ins. But we would appreciate it if you can call ahead. So
yeah, you have to know how many deviled eggs to make, right?
Amen. He does. We want to keep him happy, you know.
Right. But this is next week, so this is next Tuesday.
Yes, that'll be the 15th.
The
It's
15th.
always the third Tuesday of the month. So they can always mark their calendar for the third Tuesday. Don't go to the doctor. Don't do anything. But it's just taking off for lunch for a couple hours.
Yeah, and you meet new people. You have a
very
good time. And your guest speaker, tell me about her.
Well, she's a psychologist and management consultant.
Okay.
And her theme is how to live a fairy tale life. So that always makes you wonder, what's that about, you know?
That'll be
interesting. It's going to be interesting. Our speakers are always inspirational.
And I notice all your buffet luncheons usually have two things that are going on. Like, for instance, this one, you have this exchange of items.
Well, we always have a feature.
And then you always have a speaker.
We may have how to unclutter your house.
Right.
We may have how to put your clothes together.
Yeah.
In a fashion show or something.
Yeah, you always got a couple different things, plus the lunch, of course.
That's the feature, and then you have your speaker. It's not long, and it's over. You just want more when you go.
So that is, again, Tuesday the 15th at Clubhouse 7 from 11:45 to about 1:30. And if you want to call Joe about this, 949-939-2431.
That's right.
And also, you always want to mention stonecroft.org, which is your parent organization,
it's the parent,
right?
Yes, it was started 80 years ago in a kitchen. and it grew and grew until now we have a wonderful attendance, and in, like I said, 40 countries and all over the United States. And so when you're out of town, you can always get a hold of www.stonecroft.org and find out if it's near your hotel.
Okay.
And you always have some place to go.
That's a good idea, yeah. Mm-hmm. So from there you can link into all the different places.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. I was in one in Hawaii. It was delightful.
Very good. Sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah, we do have fun. You're going to come sometime.
All
we
right.
invite them in, you know.
That's right. You have told me that.
And especially special times we invite and we want you to bring your partner. And they'll have a man speaker, and it's very, very fun.
All right, very good. So this is what first again mentioned the prayer coffee, and that is coming up on Thursday.
Yeah.
And that will be at 10:30, and Gate 5, over on Gate 5. But this is in the recreation room, and on Mariposa West, right?
Yes.
One of the 3-story buildings, right?
Just call me
Okay.
if you don't know where it is, then I will tell you.
Okay, and then October 15th is their luncheon that they do once a month.
Yes.
All right.
I look forward to seeing you, Ken,
All right.
one of these days.
Maybe one of these days. Joe, thank you very much.
Yes.
Always good to see you.
Thank you, dear.
And we'll be right back.
Thank you.